In the world of AI music, two names are starting to dominate the conversation: Suno AI and Udio AI. But if you had to pick just one, which would truly deliver? Let's find out. Starting with Suno AI, a platform designed for instant music generation from simple text. What you're seeing here is a slick, dark-themed interface with a heavy focus on user-friendly tools like Make a Song, stem separation, and custom lyric inputs. The biggest draw? Accessibility. Suno doesn't expect you to know music theory. Just type in a vibe, a prompt, even nonsense. And it gives you music, often with vocals, in under a minute. With the free plan, you get around 10 short songs a day. But serious creators will want the pro or premier tiers, unlocking commercial use, longer tracks, and up to 10,000 monthly generations. Still, it's not all perfect. The interface, while fun, can feel a bit clunky. Some users say it crashes or lags. And the music, while catchy and weirdly addictive, it's not always consistent. 1 minute it sounds like a top 40 pop hit, the next, like a karaoke fever dream. Another thing to note: Suno is currently facing legal scrutiny. Major record labels claim the model was trained on copyrighted songs. That doesn't mean you'll get sued for using it, but it's something to watch. Now let's look at Udio AI, a newer, more refined entry into the AI music scene. The moment you land on their site, the difference is obvious. The design feels professional, minimalist, almost like Spotify for AI tracks. At its core, Udio also turns text prompts into music, but with a sharper ear for detail. The vocals are more lifelike. The production sounds polished. And best of all, you can extend or remix tracks after they're made, something Suno still struggles with. Whether you're into metal, jazz, hyperpop, or lo-fi, Udio gives you full control. Add lyrics, pick instruments, fine-tune everything. This isn't just AI music, it's AI composition. Even in beta, Udio gives you between 600 to 1,200 free song generations a month. And when you're ready to level up, the paid plan unlocks advanced tools like in-painting and vocal editing. There's also a strong social layer here. You can browse tracks made by others, save your favorites, and even build AI-powered playlists. It's part creative tool, part music discovery platform. That said, Udio isn't free from controversy either. Just like Suno, it's been sued by major labels. The lawsuits are ongoing, and they could shape how we're allowed to use AI-generated music in the future. So here's the verdict. Suno AI is great for fast, fun experimentation. It's playful, mobile-friendly, and perfect for TikTok-style tracks. Udio AI is deeper, cleaner, and more serious. Ideal for creators who want control, quality, and community. Two different visions for AI music. One thing's for sure: the future of sound is no longer human-only. So, which one will you choose? Tell me in the comments your choice, and don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel.